In this video, we will show you how to add text box in Google Documents or Google Docs. To insert or add text box in Google Documents, let's create one document here. And this is the original text. And to add or insert the text box, just click Insert menu in here, okay? And click Drawing and click New. In here, you can create text box by clicking text box button. I will create this is text box text like this. As you can see, there is no border or background color. You can fill the square with background color, for example, and the border you can also set, for example, blue. And for the text, you can change the color properties by clicking more button in here and click the text color, and you can change whatever you want. For example, look like this, and you can click save and close. Okay, and after you creating the text box like this is not permanent. You can edit the properties, the text, also the color, the font, and etc by double clicking the text box, and you can edit again if this is not the best for you. Okay, for example like this, and you can click save and close. Now you can see there in the floating menu here there is wrapping text. You can show the properties by clicking image option and click all image options here, and this is the text wrapping, and I suggest you to using in front of the text, because if you are using inline with text, you will not be able to position this text box in anywhere. But if you are using in front of the text here, you can drag and drop the text box like you want. Okay, and here we're done to creating the text box in Google Docs or Google Documents. That's tutorial how to add or insert text box in Google Docs or Google Documents. Hope this video helpful for you.